Hey future entrepreneurs, want to create $1 million business idea? Here's how you can come up with a winning idea that has the potential to generate millions. Start by identifying problems. The most successful businesses solve a specific problem. Look around you and pay attention to what frustrates people. Next, think about your passions and skills. What do you love to do? What are you good at? Combining your interests with your strengths can lead to a unique and profitable business idea. Research the market, look for gaps or underserved niches. Use tools like Google Trends, social media, and market reports to see what's trending and what people are talking about. Consider the future. What trends and technologies are emerging? Think about how you can leverage these trends to create a business that will be relevant in the coming years. Create a value proposition. What makes your idea unique? How will it benefit your customers? Clearly define what sets your business apart from the competition. Validate your idea. Talk to potential customers, create a prototype, or run a small pilot project. Get feedback and see if there's a genuine interest in your product or service. Focus on scalability. $1 million business needs to be able to grow and reach a large audience. Think about how you can scale your idea efficiently. Finally, be persistent. Many successful entrepreneurs faced numerous failures before they hit it big. Keep refining your idea, learning from your mistakes, and pushing forward. Subscribe for more business tips, and let's turn your ideas into reality.